Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're doing an unboxing and we are doing the grand giveaway of the Universal Turbo kit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this, show you the pieces that come in it, and put a few links in the description to where you can get one from, and explain a little bit about Max Speeding Rods. That's what they've asked me to do. Yeah, let's get this unboxed. Let's show you what you can win, and I'll tell you how you can win it in a mo. Right, we'll get some of these open to show you. Max Speeding Rods want me to take some photos of it. I have no idea why. I'd rather not unbox this lot for you. You've already seen it in another video, but it's good enough for them to send it to us. There's all the boost pipes and the clamps that you need. Let's move on to the next piece. Plenty of stuff there to get you going. As you've seen on some of the videos on the ST170 turbo van, the budget build we're doing. We'll have an update on that probably over the weekend as well. It's all running now, but we had a bit of a nasty oil leak. The slave cylinder that we got for the gearbox was wrong and it was leaking, so we had to pull the gearbox back out again. That's going to go back in later on today, and then we're booked in for the dyno on Saturday, so I'll try and record some of that for you guys. What's in that box, Dave?
T-piece for the valve.
All of that box just for that? Okay, there's a T-piece. Moving on to the next.
External wastegate.
There you go, big old external wastegate.
That's no more getting on that.
Leave that there as well.
Right there for now. It's the Universal boost controller.
What's that, like a little Mac valve in the bottom?
And that ain't no
Oh, that's just a little one way. It's a bit of a posh boost, bleed valve, isn't it? Yeah, basically. We're not using bleed valve on our build, using a Mac valve, so you can control it via the ECU. They tape it up all right though, don't they? You can't get into it. What we got in there?
valve valve.
Oh, there's the glass valve. There you go. Line that over there.
Which obviously belongs to that.
Yeah. All the gaskets are in the boxes, aren't they, for that? Yeah.
All gaskets, bolts, everything.
And that looks like an intercooler. And you don't know leave it like that, that's fine. I don't want to physically unwrap everything for the competition winner. We're just doing this because this is what Max Speeding Rods wants us to do. Got to show you guys what you get in the kit. I'm going to take some pictures, put it on Instagram, keep everybody happy, and then I will let you know how you can win this. What we got going on here? Downpipe.
Downpipe, gasket.
Depending on your application and what engine you're putting it on, you may have to cut that and re-weld it into the position you need it, like we did. We have told Max Speeding Rods about this, and they might make some upgrades to this kit in the future. The boost gauge.
That's the boost gauge, all the pipe work's in the box.
It's actually not a bad little boost gauge, is it? All lights up,
Yeah.
digital. Right. That is that gaskets and stuff?
Yeah,
Can't remember.
Oil feed pipe.
Oil feed, that's it. It's a return in there as well. Yeah. we go. I feel like I'm hosting a QVC channel. And all of this is on special. Turbo. Wonder if this one's got positive pressure feed.
I won't have.
Won't have now.
It comes with a gasket.
Yeah. Just leave it out in the bag, turn it around a bit. That's it. That's everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
Loads of packing peanuts. There we go, guys. One complete universal turbo kit. If you want to win this, all you have to do in this video is you have to give it a thumbs up. You have to share it upon your social media platforms far and wide. I know some of you old farts haven't got social media, that is fine. But anybody that's remotely into Facebook, Instagram and everything like that, I want this shared everywhere. And you need to leave me a comment on here. I don't know, what kind of comment should we get him to say? Turbo kit? Actually, it don't matter. I'm going to use the random comment checker. I'm going to do a live draw again, like I normally do. So what we'll do is anybody that comments on this video will be entered into the draw. I think we just do it how we normally do all the other giveaways, isn't it? It's just a lot easier. So yeah, there isn't really much else I can show you, but if you want to win this universal turbo kit, it's about 600 quid's worth. It's a very, very good prize to win. All you got to do is give it a thumbs up, share it on your social media, and leave us a comment on this video. I'm gonna actually tell you the date because people will try. It's Friday the 18th today. I'm filming this and I'm going to make this live tonight. Next Sunday I'm going to do the draw live at about 8 o'clock in the evening. So the official date for next Sunday will be the 27th. So I'm going to do the draw on the 27th. So you've got a little over a whole week to leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up and share it across your social media if that's what you want to win. It's a blinding bit of kit. You'll see it in action very soon on our van. Yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to say. There's not much else I can say other than a massive thank you for maxpeedingrods. Go over and check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description. They don't just do turbo kits, they do loads and loads of other things. They do conrods for your cars, they do suspension, they do air ride, they do tools, they do all sorts of manner of things that are car related. They're well worth checking them out. They seem to be a really good company and the customer care is really good. So yeah, I'll leave the links in the description for that lot. And yeah, like I said, give the video a thumbs up, give it a share, leave us a comment and you'll be entered into the draw and we'll do a live giveaway next Sunday. As always, a massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.